Hello, this is Cool Hunt owner from Cool Hunt Gaming with a Minecraft bucket server tutorial on how to add more RAM on your bucket server so it's not that much laggy, has better performance, and etc. The reason you might want to add more RAM is because people probably complaining, talking about the server is laggy, and you don't want your server to be laggy because you want more people to come, and you don't want to be all laggy and people start leaving, because definitely you want people at your server, right? So this is a easy tutorial on how to add more RAM to your bucket server. Woo! So what you first want to do is you want to go to your server folder. Mine is YouTube server because this is the server I'll be using for YouTube purpose only. So what you want to do is you want to open. First, you need to find out how much gigabytes of RAM do you have. This computer I'm using is my old one, so I don't have that much RAM in it. So let's go to right click on computer. You can just do it. Let's do it easy way. What you want to do is go to right click on computer, go to properties, it'll pop up the screen. This will tell you everything, and then as you see right here, I have 4 gigabytes of RAM, 3.48 gigabytes usable, which means I can use 3.48 usable of RAM gigabytes I can use. I have 4 in total, but the amount I can use is 3.48 gigabytes of RAM. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your server folder and you want where the start.bat file, Windows batch, you want to right click and edit with Notepad++, or you can edit with Notepad, no problem. I'm editing with Notepad++ because it's a more organized software that's easy for, I think it's meant for Minecraft because it's, I don't know. But what you want to do is you want to, this is the RAM right here. These two right here are the RAM. 1024 MB is 1 gigabyte of RAM. So if I have 3, that means 1024 times 3. So if you don't know how to, well, I think all Windows have a calculator. So you can do times 3, which equals 3072. That will be 3 gigs of RAM. If your computer only have 3 gigs of RAM and 2.72 gigabytes to use, you might only want to use 2 gigabytes, which is 2048. So to add more RAM, you just change these to, they're set to MB, which means you can't just put 1 MB and thinking it's 1 gigabyte, which is not, because 2048 is 2 gigs of RAM. So you have to talk in MB, and like I said, 1 gigabyte is 1024, which means 2 will be 2048, 3 will be 3072, and how much, you can just keep going up, just keep timesing 1024. So after you change the RAM to how much you want, this is 2 gigabytes I'm using, I can change it to 3 if I would like, by changing 32, and that's mostly it. All you do is save it, and there, you add more RAM to your server. Easy and simple, right? So yeah. Okay. Adios. Please subscribe. Thank you.